I've been doing a little bit of off-camera gambling, and this is 1,000 started with, and it's the profit. We're at 1,250. Let's see if we can get a 10% win on this session. Okay, you guys, walking over to the El Cortez, and the bankroll is at 1250. Like I said, I've been doing some off-camera practicing gambling, using the pass line, trying different strategies. I had a little bit of luck. So let's try the El Cortez, maybe the Rio, maybe the Gold Coast a little later on. Let's see if we can get a 10% win by the end of the day. It's a hot one today. And I see you guys inside the El Cortez for session 2. This machine just hit a 2, so we got 250 in. So let's try to inch our way up. 5 on the pass line. Where's the last one to hit? Is it 10? That's the worst number possible.
Line away. Take the dunk. Come on, roll.
6, not a bad number.
No field. Down behind.
Actually, there's a lot of odds on that. Hard 4.
Hard. Field is a winner. Hard 4 takes 8 for 1. It's time to place your bet.
Where's the 10? Let's put $1 on a one-time bet, just in case it goes back and forth. And except for the 4. Lost $1. They got that $5 back. That's on. It's not a bad number.
No field, down behind.
Put $1 right there. God damn, lost 10.
Hard 4 takes 8 for 1. Place your bet. Down behind. Single the field. Please place your bet. 4 easy.
4 again.
Down behind. Don't come trouble to the 4. Please place your bet. Warm beer, cold dice. Please place your bet.
11. One on the pass. I lost only 3.
Line away. Pay the dough. Single the field.
8's good number.
Easy 8. No field. Down behind. It's time to place your bet. Hard over.
5.
Pay the line. Place your bet.
Still down. Let's see. Still down $15.
Come out there.
Let's go
The less
10
you
there.
bet, the more you lose when you bet. 8 easy 8. No field, down behind. Place your bets. 9, down behind. Young come, move to the 9. Please place your bets.
God damn it. Just keep getting on that 4.
Down behind. Don't come travel to the 4. Please place your bet. You can't win if you don't bet. Easy 6. No field. place your bets.
Still down 15. So,
Come
big
on,
last
roll.
bet.
The less you bet, the more you lose when you don't win. Let's shoot the dice. Alive. No field. Down behind. The point is 5. Place your bets. The field is alive. Place your bets. Yo, 11. Take the jump. The field is home. 12 cups. Come away. Bar the bet. Double the field.
Good thing I got out the 4.
Hit the field. Card 4 is gone. Two cups. Snake on. Come away. Pay the double. 9. Down behind. Single the field. It's time to place your bet. 10 is gone.
7 hasn't hit in a while, so we're gonna split the board. Let's go 5 1.
Don't forget your bet.
10.
10. Easy 10. Down behind. Single the field.
3.
3 cups. Come away. Pay the dough. 6.
So we're down $3.
Place your bets.
We don't need to go that much. Let's go 10 in. Damn it. Every single time.
10. Mark it up. Down behind. Single the field. Please place your bets. You can't win if you don't bet. Let's see some hard 10 money. Please place your bet.
Yes, sir.
7. Line away. Warm beer. Cold dice. It's time to place your bet. We're coming out. Craps. Go. High low.
Snake eyes.
2
Worst
cups.
possible.
Line away. Double the field. We're looking for a play. It's time to place your bet. 9. Mark it up and single the field. The point is 9. It's time to... Pay the dough and the last
I lost 40 bucks.
Get your bet set.
See if we can get a
Come on
comeback.
again.
So,
We're coming out.
6.
6. Easy 6. No field. Down behind. The point is
Trying to
6.
bet song.
9er. Down behind. Single the field. 10. Big gun. Down behind. Don't come. Travel to the 10. Please place your bets. 5. Fever. No
I don't even
field.
have the 5
Don't
left.
come. Go to the 5. It's time to place your bets. 8. Pay the dough and the last one. pay behind. 5 fever, no field, down behind. 5 is your line.
Heartache.
Cold dice. Three cups, line away, pay the dough. Easy 8, no field, down behind. The point is 8. Please, place your bets. 8 easy is good. Hard 8 is better. Double. Cold dice. 3 cups, line away, pay the dough. We're coming out. 9, mark the 9, single the field. It's time to place your bet. The field is a lot.
That's what I'm saying. Good thing I took that 50 off the 10.
It's time to place your bets.
And sometimes 10 brings 4, so let's go dog on the 3-1.
The field is alive off the 9. 7 out, 7, line away, pay the dough, and the last one, pay behind. 2 cups, pocket aces, line away, pay the dough, double the bubble. Here, coming out.
Come on, one more.
5 fever, no field, down behind. 5 is your line. Place your bet. Don't forget the odds on the 5. Every 2, you get 3. 7, line away.
So we're down 16 bucks.
Please, place your bet. We're coming out. Press, go, high, low. 4 easy, mark the 4, down behind, single the field, the point is 4. Please place your bets. All the top guys are available. 6, down behind, don't come, travel to the 6.
All that work.
Please place your bets. 2 cups, come away, pay the dough, double the field. It's time to place your bets. All the top guys are. It's time to place your bets.
we're at 211.
Stay behind. Get your bet set. We're coming out again.
Worst level possible.
Line away. Take a dump. Come out roll. Place your bet.
Now 25 bucks. That's not a bad number.
Our point is 6. 3 cups. Come away. Play the dump. Single the field. Pay the dump, and the last dump, pay
We're down $9. Let's just try to get to $9.
Please place your bets.
Five's not a bad number.
No field, down behind. Point is 5. It's time to place your bet. The field. 9, down behind. Don't come, go to the 9. It's time to place your bet. It's time to place your bet.
So we're back at the 250. Start all over.
Come out roll. 9. Mark it up and single the field. The point is 9.
$4 there.
Place your bets. The field is alive after 9. Field bet anybody? Pay the gun and the last one. 10, easy 10. Mark it up. Down behind. Single the field. Place your bet. Please place your bet.
Now $9.
We're coming out. Craps, go, high, low, C&E, lucky shooter bet. 10, easy 10. Mark it.
Of course the 10's gonna hit again.
Light it. Please place your bets.
$1 over 4.
Don't forget your odds. Better back 8 for 1 on the hard 10. Out 7, line away. Pay to go, and the last one, pay behind. Get your bet set for 10, easy 10. Mark it up, down behind. Single the field. It's time to place your bet. Hard 10 is open.
Look at that. This is some bullshit. This can't win, bro.
Take the low, pay the low.
This can't
Last
win.
one gets some, pay behind. Or it's coming out for the... It's time to place your bet. 7, line away. Warm beer, cold dice. Place your bets. We're coming out. Craps, go, high, low. Place your place your bets. 8 easy is good. 3 craps. Come away. Pay the gun. Single the field. 5. It's time to place your bet.